Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my videos here, and yeah, someone on my videos put a comment, please do the Beast Storm spell review. Thanks to whoever that was, because I was actually really looking forward to this one. And the Beast Storm spell is a epic, single shot and a homing missile type. So I have bought this like a day ago, and yeah, so let's do a review on this weapon. I played with this weapon, and it seems like it used to be the most effective for me on the point capture maps. Let's do Parkour City. Still need to get the heavy crystal armor. Okay, so it seems like, yep. Okay, so it shoots out to be like that, and then also, if you're not good at accuracy with it, if you don't have, ow. Someone has a predator? Okay, if you don't have good accuracy, this is like one of the weapons for you. Because, like, it doesn't really require that much accuracy. You need to at least, like, shoot near them. Oh, got a prototype, and... well, I didn't get the kill, but you would have saw that. For me, it's the most effective on this map. As you can see, the bees are turning around and getting them. And it's actually really effective. Since I'm in the Adamant League, it's like a few shots to a crystal armored player. Oh, it's gonna take him out. We always lose wearing armor. I mean iron. Oh, God. Okay, so let's take over that one. And also, the fire rate on this thing is really good. Actually, insane, too. And there's one thing it says on there that's not explosive round, or not explosive. How come it could do damage to you if you shoot at the ground? So I guess it is explosive, just not that explosive where it's marked under explosive. Oh, I thought that was enemy. Oh no. Where are they? Huh? Jetpack. Oh god. No, no, no! It's not good against guns like the shotgun. Oops. Oh, and I was thinking about doing a duel with this one. And usually everybody has a smart bullet, and then that gets annoying. As you can see, the bees turned around as soon as they like passed them to hit him. Let's see how they follow him. Yep. Oh wait, what? He's not dead? Take this one over. No. 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 Ah. Okay, so let's try a new strategy. I not mean. Okay. Please tell me. Yep. And dead. 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 Yay! There you go. Still killed him. See, and then if you like the smart bullet, you might like this weapon too. And of course, it's a semi-automatic rifle user. No, 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 no. What? They have the fastest trigger finger or fastest tap finger, whatever you want to call it. Ah, only if it went through the cracks. That would have been awesome. Oh god. And let's see if we can get him from here. No, 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 no. No, semi-automatic. I killed someone without even really trying to hit them. It's really cool because there practically is no reload. What gun are... I think that might have been like the crystal bow or something. Crystal bow. What am I talking about? Laser crossbow something? Yeah. Oh no, electro blast rifle? Yep, electro blast rifle. It's real. It's like one of those very spammable weapons. For yeah, and it is kind of hard to actually get long range kills since no, not again, not again. Why do I keep on falling? And it looks really cool when it's in your hand, and also whenever you like use it and sometimes you die, it does like the bee ball or whatever, the ball with the bees in it, it does disappear. So you gotta, yep. How did I know? Like, as you can obviously see, it's not my hand anymore. Okay, let's try the mining camp. I wonder what the charge cannon is like. Oh, what? I just see bees flying. I see bees and smart bullets. Oh god. Ooh, that bee just took a headshot. It meant that person took a headshot with a bee. Nope, it's not the person who has the bees. I hope the other person with the bees is on my team. That'd be cool if one match, every single person in the lobby just has the bee storm spell. Let's throw one down there, see if it curves. Yeah, and the thing I like to do, like, if it's like in their hallway right here, if you throw one and there's someone near it, it will just automatically turn and go after them. So it does work like as something that points out to where the enemies are sometimes. Dang it. You are not dodging those. What? So you say you're not dodging those, guess what she does? She dodges them. Those were some useless shots. Okay, she is back again for some more. God dang it. To be honest, like, a grenade is like one. People will use grenades now because it's super easy to get them. One thing would be cool if what they did to the bee swarm spell, if they increased like the speed of the bees. That would be actually very awesome. What is this guy doing? So also, sometimes for me, it's handy from going from the sky. Smart bullets get so annoying for me. Ooh, I thought you shot something at me. And of course, smart bullets are going to turn around and try to shoot me. Try to hit me. Smart bullets, yep. Wait, what? I thought it was a dude in... that's not a dude. And, yeah. Oh, come on, we lose again? It's not a great video. Okay, well, you guys, that should be the end of the video for today. And see you guys all later. Goodbye.